everyone, it's me Shakay na Maglipon and welcome back to my mini vlog. So for today's vlog ay nandito ako sa Nonos. Galing ko lang sa salon and nagutom ako. So nandito ako sa Nuvali Soledad para mag-lunch, late lunch. And I just want to share to you guys the lessons I learned this year. The first lesson I learned this year is don't take advice from a person you don't want to be like. Huwag kayo basta-basta makinig sa mga advice ng tao. Be wise. Always show gratitude. No, kahit sa maliit na bagay, because gratitude changes everything. The third lesson I learned this year is that do what makes you happy, but make sure hindi ka mapapahamak at hindi ka makakasakit ng ibang tao. Never speak badly about your partner or your family to anyone. It's okay to make mistake. It's okay to try again because growth is not a straight line. The sixth lesson that I want to share to you guys is that life is bigger than people's opinion. Once you stop caring what others think, you become more at peace. Always pray to God because prayer works. At kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon and kung nasaan ka man ngayon, remember that parte yan ng magandang plano ni Lord sa buhay mo. So keep going, keep praying, trust His timing, trust His plan, be positive and think positive. Always push yourself to be the best version. Cannot enjoy anything in life if you don't feel good about yourself. That's why you need to focus on yourself and be the best version of yourself dahil lahat ng bagay mag-uumpisa sa sarili mo. The most beautiful characteristic in a woman is her boundaries. You can be the most beautiful woman in earth, but if you don't have strong boundaries, people will not respect you. You need to hold high standard and strong boundaries for yourself. Because in reality, if you don't respect yourself, you cannot expect others to respect you. What you give to yourself is what you receive from the universe.